Are you considering buying the Amazon Echo Pop, the latest and smallest addition to the Alexa speaker family? Let's dive into the real questions people are asking before you make your decision. First up, do you really need a subscription for Alexa features? The good news is, basic Alexa functionality comes at no extra cost. You can set alarms, check the weather, and control smart home devices without spending a dime. However, if you're after Amazon Music Unlimited, Audible, or specialized services like Emergency Assist and Kids Plus, those do require a subscription. Now, let's talk sound quality. Is the Echo Pop powerful enough for such a compact speaker? Surprisingly, yes. For bedrooms, small offices, or cozy living spaces, it delivers rich and clear audio that'll impress you. Just don't expect it to be the life of your next house party. It's not built for that kind of volume. A common concern is Alexa always listening. Rest assured, it's not. Alexa only wakes up when you say the magic word, Alexa. That's when you'll see the light bar turn on, indicating it's ready to help. And if you want complete privacy, there's a handy mic off button to give you peace of mind. Wondering about smart home control? The Echo Pop excels here. From dimming your lights to managing smart plugs, Alexa makes home automation effortless. It's like having a personal assistant for your living space. Privacy is a big deal, and Amazon knows it. They've built multiple layers of protection into the Echo Pop. Your personal information isn't for sale, and you have full control over what Alexa remembers. It's designed with your privacy in mind. For the eco-conscious, you'll be pleased to know the Echo Pop is built with sustainability in mind. The fabric is made from 100% recycled yarn, and even the aluminum is 80% recycled. Plus, the packaging is fully recyclable, so you can feel good about your purchase. Lastly, what about long-term reliability? While the Echo Pop generally works well, keep in mind that its performance can depend on your Wi-Fi stability and how complex your smart home setup is. Most users find it to be a dependable addition to their daily routines. So there you have it, an honest look at the Amazon Echo Pop. It's a compact powerhouse that brings Alexa smarts to any space. With a focus on privacy and sustainability, whether it's right for you depends on your needs. But for many, it's a smart choice in more ways than one.